Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make lollipop drumsticks. First, gather all your necessary materials. You will need several lollipops, preferably with a round head, along with some colorful tissue paper and decorative ribbon. Ensure your lollipops are sturdy enough to handle the wrapping process. Selecting tissue paper in colors that match your event will make these treats even more special. This simple craft is perfect for parties or as a fun gift. Now, let's begin wrapping. Take your tissue paper and cut it into a square about 6 inches by 6 inches. Carefully center the lollipop head in the middle of this square. This ensures you have enough paper to cover it completely. Gently gather the tissue paper upwards around the lollipop head, creating a neat, compact bundle. This forms the top, rounded part of your drumstick. Next, we will secure and shape our drumstick. Twist the gathered tissue paper tightly around the lollipop stick, forming the handle. This should be firm and consistent. To keep everything in place, use a small piece of clear tape or a tiny rubber band to secure the twisted paper at the base of the lollipop head. Finally, gently fluff out the top portion of the tissue paper to give it the appearance of a drumstick's padded end. For the final touches, let's add some decorative flair. Tie a festive ribbon around the base of the drumstick head where the paper meets the stick. This adds a lovely pop of color and hides any tape. You can also consider adding small embellishments, such as a sprinkle of glitter or a few stickers, for extra sparkle. These delightful lollipop drumsticks are perfect as party favors or a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.